We all love to go on vacation, but let's be real, planning the vacation can be very time-consuming and overwhelming. You have to figure out which destination you want to go to, which type of accommodation, and also how you want to get there. And let's not even get started on comparing the prices. But what if there was a magical button that you could press that would do all of these tasks for you? The planning, the booking would all be done in an instant. And not only that, it would also beam you right to your vacation destination, so the only thing that you have to worry about is to turn on the vacation mode and to start exploring the beautiful country. The same concept applies to process mining. Traditionally, it takes a long time to extract data, transform event logs, and create complex analysis. It can be a tedious and time-consuming process. But with SAP Signavio Plug and Gain, all those steps are done for you. You can skip the tedious data extraction and transformation and jump straight to interpreting the data and realizing its value. But how does it work, you may ask? SAP Signavio Plug and Gain combines fast mining with deep mining capabilities. It allows you to quickly extract and analyze process data, enabling you to gain deep insights into making informed decisions. So, are you ready to start your next journey with SAP Signavio?